forbid. That's what they do for you. Hey! It isn't a play.
Oh, Jesus.
What's up, my people on a day within the sub? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So thanks for always watching. You know I always appreciate you guys. So days you know the try, you feel me. So this is another fantastic one. So make sure to watch the very end. Make sure to subscribe if you're not done that, and share this video. It is very, very important. You feel me? So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. What's going on here?
Yeah, welcome, sir.
My people.
Governor Amuneke.
Came to visit us. No problem, sir.
No problem at all. I heard you own one of the biggest poultry. This is it, right?
Yes.
Can we see it?
Yes, sir. Sure. You don't know why it's going on.
Amuneke, what do they do for person poultry?
I'm very, very proud of you too.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
In my government, I've been trying to set up SMEs for young people like you. When it comes to small businesses like this is what my government wants to be doing. So I will support you. How many chicken do you have here?
About 3,000 chickens, sir. 3,000, yes, sir.
I'm going to buy all.
You sure say you can take money back? You sure say no be audio buy?
All right, nice one.
Governor, how about the payment and how are you going to carry the fowls?
Oh, foul?
Yes, sir.
Was it a handball? Meet my PA. Talk to my PA.
My account number is 00.
Oh, don't worry, I have the number already.
How did you have my number?
Don't worry, give me the problem.
Hope it's not what we are thinking. Hope you are not going to support the people that give us money.
If it's money, you will not be happy.
Let me see the
Governor Amuneke at it again. On today's empowerment program, he visited Utamu local government where he set up small enterprise for young unemployed youth. This time, the two unemployed lads got a multi-million functioning 100,000 capacity beds poultry. It was such a joyous moment. They couldn't both hold their tears. They rolled on the floor while they thanked the governor for his benevolence and compassion towards his people. Indeed, he has shown he can do it again. Come 2027, you know the man for the job. Vote Governor Amuneke come 2027.
This guy they expose all this food.
Jesus!
Can you imagine?
Why are you here?
Madam, respect, much respect. Respect to the house. Madam, I came to join this your winch because I just say if I join winch, money damn. What he go tell you? Madam, I don't suffer. Hungry won't finish me. Nothing will never try. If not to join winch, where things go better, make I join.
Are you sure? You can do this?
Madam, I get option again. What I never do, madam. I'm a winch.
Quiet! Can you suck blood?
Yeah!
Waiting the blood, madam. Compound where they stay. People plenty. Blood yapa. If I suck that full compound finish. Una fit even they can't join me suck. People they.
Your first mission has to go and suck blood.
I'm a wicked man.
Then come back for us to know that you are capable to belong in this coven.
You follow them, the love.
God forbid.
You don't appear.
That's what they do for you. Hey! It isn't a play.
Oh, Jesus.
Now, you can't destroy me one take some blood. HIV pills.
Are you mad? Jesus! You were supposed to shout Jesus now. Joe! Jesus! I don't die. Who get these drugs? Who get these drugs?
Okay. I was feeling hot and fever. I went for test. They gave me this medicine that I have HIV.
Joe! Don't die, bro. You're a very stupid person.
I'm going to punish your papa.
I'm going to suck HIV, Jesus. Today when I join with Joe, I don't suck HIV. God, have mercy upon me. Go and get me water to drink this medicine now. Quick! Huh? Get me water to drink what you're drinking. Quick now before this thing enter my body.
But which way they suck blood? They know they suck
The struggle.
Jolisus, you go calm down with this thinking.
Don't be like that. They see where.
At times they come, they still go.
Hard times.
This hard time be like wait you want go. Just the think. Wait till you think. Hello, Saint. You know say that gig later enter. Wait a minute. That gig later work. They already pay you 1 million. 1 million naira. When we celebrate. Yes, 1 million naira. Send your account number now. Send your account number now. I'll send you the 1 million. Hey, I didn't send that huh? I don't tell you. At times they come, they still go.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
You, they go now, they go.
Please, wickedness does not pay. I beg you.
Hello, Saint. Hope so you don't receive the 1 million. Hey, I never see the alert, though. You never see alert? You don't send them? Hope so not be wrong account number. Now you say give me a wrong account. Here.
Jesus.
Call the account number. Call the account number. My here. Not be 21 93 17 08 04.
God have mercy.
01, not be 04.
Hard times don't come back.
You say why you make this kind of mistake?
But it's supposed to show your
Now your
name
sofa
now.
just they start.
You don't show your name. Hard times don't carry PK come.
You take go the money.
Jesus.
Hard times have come to stay.
You don't join, they say you don't join.
No be only.
You don't pay, they say you don't
I say
pay.
your account number. You don't see my name for there. Which kind of sense mistake with that one?
What's going on here?
Oh shit, not good.
Honey, calm down. Honey, I can explain. It's not what you think. Please calm down.
Young man, where are you and what are you doing here? My name is Mazabi. I am a cheater.
I'm a cheater.
I came to cheat with your wife. I am done and I'm going.
It's a lie.
My brother. Walk on, I say my brother. Walk on, huh? The spirit is saying you are a walking boy. Most on a going, see what you are. I say you are a walking boy. You and we'll go do this work for you. Things go begin work for you. Things cannot go for my brother. You see this your laptop. You will put it on your lap. And you will never have lapses. But first, somebody will shower you. I say somebody will shower you. You will first do transfer to the prophet, and then the apprentice will shower you.
Transfer to the interpreter.
Prophet, I say you will first do transfer to the prophet, and the interpreter will shower you.
Transfer to the interpreter.
Prophet transfer.
Don't start.
Then someone
Don't start. No, carry me play.
You transfer to the prophet, and then the servant will come. But servant said I ain't going to transfer money.
You know what you go back?
Make prophets go better.
Make una paste house and as small now. Let's see bath me. Now go yes.
Wait, I'm gonna go back. Let me go back.
I'm going to transfer to me, then I'm passing.
Prophet, make 3 of una go bath.
With your big lip like person where them born on leap year. Philip.
Good afternoon. Please, how much is your bread?
Pick up line challenge.
My bread is 1,000, but because I've seen a fine boy today, I'm going to sell it for 500.
What?
So what's your name?
Okay, my name is God, but my friends used to call me.
Yes?
Sonny Bobo.
So if your friends call you Sonny Bobo, what can I call you?
Let him cook!
Actually,
let him cook now!
For your love, my heart will pump. And I'm keenly interested in knowing you, so you can call me...
Let's have it.
Your pumpkin.
Alright, show me your body. Make she call you her pumpkin. Have you hustled for your nest of kin? I don't know. I take your phone.
Waiting man, do man.
Wow, your beauty feels like oxygen. The first element in the periodic table is called hydrogen. Please be the hydrogen in my life. I know our child will look like you because you have a strong gene.
I may not have been to the gym yet. I'd love to make you my gym towel. You know why? I want to carry you everywhere I go.
Okay? Take your gym towel.
I'm not a struggle.
Wow, if you are a deal, I will stamp that seal. And I will shake hands with zeal. Wow, your smile could heal.
Yes?
You my next meal.
Next meal, you never chop for 2 days now.
Jesus!
Can I know my affair? Please, the chemistry between us is so strong that I have mathematically calculated already in an economic way. And I'm very certain that no subject can come in between us. Don't mind poverty.
Oh, Jesus.
Take it to Singapore. Let us become history.
Who is this guy? You will take her to Singapore. Look at you singing because you're poor. Wow. I'm feeling devastated. You have a 10/10 rating. I see the both of us dating.
Yes?
Don't mind all those hating.
You're that guy.
Oh, my wife. How are you?
Stress. Hope customers are coming.
The suffer is real.
The suffer is real.
Yeah, my face.
No, you take advantage of people for Nigeria.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you? I'm fine. I can't imagine you used to alliance on the married.
I'm so surprised. Yeah. Where did you get
But
I got my lines on Wikipedia and I wasted sleepless nights for that book.
I get my own from AI.
AI? Yes. I think you should use ChatGPT.
but now the woman first approached the guy.
Fine girl. Does your mother sell okra?
Yeah.
Does she draw my attention?
I beg get out, you too fine.
Aww. Nice pickup line.
Thank you very much. Please, can I get your number? Let's link up, yeah?
Sure.
What's the name?
Main.
Okay, Michael. I'll call you, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you, Oh, what's your giving number? Pick up lines, 9 day rain now. Listen, fine girl, does your mother sell okra because you draw my attention? She weak. Just like that. Would this pick up line? Press my bum. Guy. See this girl, I like this girl, die. Approach her. I don't know what I go tell her now. Oh my, give you pick up line, not the doll.
You go collect slap.
Hey, you go walk.
You go collect slap. Yeah, they shut him down.
What were you doing when you were 16?
Michael! Your father must be a thief. Because you didn't just call me a thief, young man. You just call me. No, I can explain. I get to this car. I can explain. You explain in the office. Okay, let me finish the pickup line now. You finish the pickup line yourself. Go inside the car. Fella, go inside. Don't pick me up with the pickup line, no.
I don't say good.
Damn Boroba.
Shaggy.
I don't like this.
You don't know where you are going.
Happy birthday. Okay.
So out of all the whole car, you didn't see any better car to buy me. You didn't see Lamborghini. You didn't see Ferrari. You bought me this car.
One man.
Wanna pour me water?
Something.
My guy, I do.
Pick this out of my house.
Jesus.
I hear you. You're saying something.
No. An anonymous person sent me to deliver a birthday gift.
You. I remember you. When I gave my number to our gates 2 days ago, I told you today's my birthday.
Azam na me. I'll be dispatch rider now.
Let me see the gift.
Tell me what that guy. What be this? Oh, my million.
Come where they go, eh? Stop out for the gift.
Oh, in this life, have money.
Voila. Sunshine. What's going on here?
Nah, any day when I wake up for this house of mine, see breakfast on bed. Even if I dey fast, I go breakfast, chop the breakfast. Babe.
Okay.
Babe.
She said she never go.
Wake up, come go cook something for me. I no chop last night. Babe.
You? She said what? Now lie.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Okay.
Jesus! Jesus. Hey! Stand up, go cook for me. No, they use icy money. Go digger.
Pick 2, pick 3. Yeah, I'm at the hold on. Last card. What?
Bro, calm down now. Now game, where do you want to go? Get up, Joe. Snebra. Snebra. Jesus. Stop no man up by you.
They don't take slap. Five weekend.
Car up, nigga. Don't turn a snail, bro. I better get up, bro.
Rise up and walk.
Hey, go.
Wait, that useless boy. Where is it? Hey, let's be this one. You better get up. You better get up. Nobody this way they do free for me. Hey, Mama, let's make it come after me. This is your brother. I don't know whether na thief him be. Whether na armed robber him be. Whether na beggar or 419 him be. Me, I don't understand. Every day you go come my shop. You go to beg. You beg. You beg. Eh? You don't go pay. And you give him. Don't worry. They give him. And they give him because in time he say una papa fall for bathroom. In land with the brocos. Say he need brocos transplant. Brocos what he?
Transplant.
I didn't talk on this thing again. You look at how they talk. If the rent can't give me. The rent can't give me. That's why you can do that. Like say the whole world they in head. London Bridge fall for your head. Eh? What I go do? I dey pity him. I be mother. I go give him. What the concern me whether he don't buy? See, make I tell you, the thing where they pay me for inside my body, inside my bone, they say, no be only me in Duanto. Now 6 of us. You see him? What did they pay me pass? What did they pay you? Say, look at I get my he come our shop. Come the back food store one by one. Come give me go open your own shop.
We are in business. We are in business now. Like we need like 7 billion, like 7 zillion customers.
No worry. You see that anybody? What's happened? You no go with. I will collect that in 2 hours. Me, I go one in 2 hours for her. See that in brokers. Now I go collect.
Full mineral resources now carry between my legs. By the end of the day, they don't value this place for Nigeria.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sorry. Just get 4 doors. Space stars I go do one for you.
I beg no face on. My boyfriend, when I carry all my money when my madam gives me, I keep and make it come Lagos. He come say make I come Lagos. Now you don't come they ping my call. You know if when they reply my message, you don't offer all in phone.
So you're stranded?
No, I don't be stranded. My name is Agkaay.
That means you no get where to stay. No, it's me. You no get where to stay. I will help you. So you go just come my side there, come stay for a while. You know?
Bless you.
No, stand up. We'll just go my side there. Where they go? Show me now your house. They go now.
Can office.
Now you want to show me my house?
I'm in the office.
I don't die. Follow me, Joe.
Jesus.
Pass this side.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
Let me place the house. I'm going to do for them. Money no, money choke. I'll call you back.
What's going on here?
So what's happening? Come follow me like that.
You think it's a joke?
When I buy topic for you, no chop am. I don't die. When I buy a before you, no chop am. And like that man chop you now. Why did
I don't feel do that kind of thing.
You don't feel that kind of thing.
You get it?
Hello, Peruzzi.
Jesus.
I beg that girl want to tell you how they bring for Vixen. Just cancel her name. She no serious. Tell the video say I go find another person.
Jesus.
She no serious.
You know the video.
The video
Davido my guy, my tight guy. Yeah, you do shakara. But yeah, if you don't want, open door me, they go.
I'm a wicked man.
Go do. Yeah, close the door.
Come on, I'm so for my living game. Make up. Come in. I would even forget you.
You sure say no be hotel? You sure say no be hotel room?
I come now.
Good morning, ma.
Hey.
Good morning.
You want to retail or you are leaving?
No, you see that brother will bring me come yesterday. He go buy something. He go come meet you when he come down.
Oh, he has already left. You see, you're going to pay for everything.
Yeah, me. Because I don't do me. So don't pay for me. Say munda me daro. I say I get small money for my buy. How much?
Okay, the food, the hotel, and the drink is 110,000.
Can't pay them for me.
You sure say never even carry the money where they spend? Shaggy.
What?
What?
What? Give me 40 spanner for there. What?
Oh, got me. I dare here.
You there here? So you know here when I call you, see, say where you go bring 40 spanner, you know here.
Yeah, and I they respond. Nah, you know they yeah.
Oh, okay, now I know the yeah. My ear blind. This is totally unacceptable. Arrant nonsense.
Yeah, why?
Are you the head mechanic? Depends on who they find me. Good. I brought my car earlier and I asked your boys to fix my car, the on. But now, see, all the 4 tires are down. What is that the other doing? Calm down. That motor that you bring, the problem no be only horn. Yes. You see that I don't say they lose the tire because the body is done. It's just the on. It's me that with and the mechanic. Okay, say, your problem not the 2 places. Go carry your car, go.
You say on, you don't lose tire. What you concern on lose tire?
Reasonable human being here.
Jesus.
Okay, your problem plenty. They make me remember my.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Is that how you treat your customers? Sorry, sir. Wait. Mr. Taiwo. Yes, that's my name. Mr. Taiwo Ajangbadi. That's my surname as well. Someone look at my school.
What's going on here?
What are you driving now? 1998, SS2B. Master. Okay, does this imply that you were once my student? Yes! If I said, interesting. It's not interesting though. Now you fail me for mock exam. Mock exam because you were making a mockery of yourself. After you fail me, I come from there, go Methodist girls. Go finish my education. Methodist girls? Yes. Can you listen to yourself? Okay, not the way you want to talk, eh? Go carry your car, make you come up for you. Oh, God.
You say what are they
don't search tire. No see 14 spanner. Nah, one.
What be this? Jesus.
Nah, 6 spanner. You don't reach 14.
Oh my goodness, how did I get here? Why are you bouncing on the young boy?
Why me pass on the young boy? So why you the bouncing on the young boy when I get secondary school? Why they beat me with my color? You don't know. He's just a kid. This is a kid. This is baby. This is way old pass karate kid. Jesus. Hey. Kid wire. Follow your papa. If I see your life for this shop again, let me go break up. You still wait. What is he doing?
Run.
Is he okay? It's okay. Oh, God. He don't bust. They go your dead body go surplus. What are you doing? I'm finding X. This is insane. Master, yeah. See, secondary school is now. I just find X. Exercise patience. Why I make the X? What the cool?
Calm down.
So tell me more about yourself.
I'm still a virgin.
Oh my!
And I'm also a God-fearing person.
You guys shout.
What's it take?
God have mercy upon us.
Come. God fearing person.
Babe, why are you crying? What happened? Who died?
Look at this.
Babe, men are trying, no. Men are really trying for us.
What is this? What happened?
See, babe, my God will continue to bless you. See, I really appreciate everything you've been doing for me. But the first day you met me, you've been taking care of me.
Wait. So, I've done to be me. After time praising me like this, I've done to be me.
Which one is that one? Now let me finish now, eh? My Odogo Parara. You love of my life. I love you so much.
My baby. So you just like this?
Yes, now.
I come let it inside house. I'm looking for you. Come.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
You see this hair, eh? It will suit me really well. It's just 600,000.
I said it. I said it. I know you want to be me. See, babe, I don't have money now. The hair you're wearing, wear it. There's no money.
That's come here. Which one is this one I'm wearing that you wear? I've been carrying this hair for good 2 weeks. And hold me, your girlfriend, repeating hair. Okay, you must buy me this hair.
Babe, I don't have money. I don't have
My
money.
girlfriend, you call yourself. You call yourself what?
I know it's for billing. I don't have money now. Who swear for this people?
I know who swear for them. People should be very careful today. For where you dey clean, now you come propose.
Come on, punish you.
People really mumu. People really mumu. I tell you. Nothing to the car where you buy, you know they walk. Now show off you can't do for us. You can't do show off for us. I don't understand. You buy a new car, I know you're a big guy. I know you're a big guy, you understand? So you buy a new car. What's that car say? Should I Lamborghini, I been a Ferrari, which one it be? I don't know. Anyways, me I know so one day I go still buy that car, no worry. No worry, I go buy it. But people, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have right in the comment section. And please do not forget to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. So check them out. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, please. It's very, very necessary. Subscribe and share this video. It's very important. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.